Greetings, my name is Gugulethu Bodibe from Seshat Luhutwe. Today I just want to speak about the topic of ancient Egypt and its relevance. I can see on the net there's many things being said, there's many questions being asked, many criticisms, which are all valuable, but I just want to throw in my 2 minutes with why ancient Egypt is valuable to Africa. Ancient Egypt is important because it allows us, it offers us the evidence that we need to see where we come from as African people. It's not only the material evidence like pyramids and tombs and the artwork, but also the psycho-spiritual evidence of the level of spirituality they were on, the philosophy that they had, just the cultural universe that they existed in. So a lot of people are arguing that why only Egypt? Why do you only speak about Egypt as if all of Africa, the rest of Africa is not important? Then they are missing the point. The point being what Sheikh Anta Diop said, that Egypt allows us, to step onto a solid scientific trajectory. Those are not exactly his words. He said it allows us to use it as an operational scientific concept, things that we can demonstrate and prove, unlike just talking and guessing all the time, which is what tends to happen when it comes to African history. It's not exactly a problem all the time, but there is time when we need exact science, and Egypt allows us, with all the evidence that it has, to access, and to understand all that evidence. So it's not that all other African societies and civilizations are not important. It's that Egypt brings all of them actually together. If you want to see how Africa operates, whether in languages and other aspects of culture, yes, you can look at North, West, East, South Africa, Central Africa. But if you look at all of them in relation to Egypt, you will always find correlations, because as the people dispersed on the continent, they went and built Egypt. So it's things that come from inner or lower Africa anyway, and they radiated outside. And so those evidences still remain. It's like a mother giving birth to children, and the one goes each direction. Those children are brothers and sisters, but they might have each gone their own ways. Doesn't mean they are not one blood just because the one is there. So Egypt allows us, it's the mother in terms of the body of scientific evidence and work. It's the mother of, of how we should seek to prove and understand our history and to demonstrate it. I'll say much more. I'm putting together what you call these Microsoft Word, you know, presentations. But for now, that'll be enough to say why ancient Egypt. Thank you.